picked up some safety flares, LED lights. Markstor LED flare warning light. Come in a little bag. Stores them in a little pair of gloves. 3 of them. It has a 3-way USB-A power source and 3 USB-C connections. Charge them all at the same time. It's a LED set of flares. Has a variety of patterns I'll tell you about. Here's where you charge it with. Has a little clip. Clip hangs at an angle. Doesn't come all the way up. And it has a magnet on here. You can attach it to a car or something. And they'll stick to each other too if you get them lined up just right. I don't know how powerful it is. I'll test it. I'm testing it on the side of the refrigerator quickly. It's not very powerful. It'll hold the light up, but it's not going to hold anything else up. It's good enough to stick itself. It's easy to store them and zip up. Put your cable on the top, inside. Put your gloves on the top. Starting to charge. And they're charged. It takes about 2 hours. I'm out here at night. Okay, let's turn one on. Throw it out in the yard. We'll turn another one on. Throw it out in the yard. We'll turn the third one on. So here's the operation. You have one control button. We push it once. You get 4 ons and an off. 1, 2, 3, 4 off. Push it again. You get 1, 2 off. 1, 2 off. 1, 2 off. Push it again. 1 on, 1 off. Push it again. You get a dancing light spinning in a circle pattern. Push it again, and you get, instead of spinning, you get on, off, on, off, on, off pattern. Some on, some off. Push it again, and what do you think you get? Dash, dot, 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 dash, 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 dot, 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 dash, SOS pattern. Push it again, you get high, all lights on, steady. Push it again, you get low, steady. Push it again, you get a flashlight. I timed each mode except this flashlight, and I'm going to show you the results of how long each pattern lasts. When I ran the lights, 4 dots on, 1 off, it's 15.5 hours. 2 on, 1 off, 25 hours. 1 on, 1 off was the longest, 49 hours it ran. If I left it on high solid light, it lasted 2 hours. Low solid light was 4 hours. The spinning around in a circle lasted 11 hours. The on and off alternating pattern was 15 hours. SOS was 4.5 hours. And the batteries took, when I charged them all together with that wire, 2 hours to recharge.